Hey everybody, Spot Cat's here.
Yeah.
We're here at Green Valley Ranch playing the brand new Ultra Hot Mega Link. Yes, please. So there's our progressives up there. Let's get it, honey.
10-cent denomination, $100 in machine.
Yes, look at that cheetah.
$2 this
He is beautiful. Oh, there's our treasure chest. I mean, those are on the second, third, and fourth reel. And they are bonus symbols, and those coins are wild. Look at the frogs. Beautiful graphics.
Yes. Come on.
We just need a line hit. Come on, let's get it.
Come on, fireballs.
Come on, 3 of these. Get it. Oh, come on. 2 more. 1 more. Oh, so close to the bonus. Come on, bonus. Oh, there's 2 of them.
Yeah.
There they go. Oh, wild. Okay. That's $9. That's not bad. Come on, bonus. Oh, come on, bonus. Let's get it. Come on, Firelink. Oh, we needed the one in the middle. Wild. There we go. $3.50. Okay.
Fireballs.
Come on, fireballs. We need 4 of you.
Let's try quarters for a free spin.
Okay. So quarters is $2.50 a spin. Let's get it.
Yeah. So now the minor and the mini have increased.
Went up to 100 and 500. Get a bonus. 2 more. Well, oh, we got it. Oh my God, and we got the Ultra Hot. That's crazy. So it's gonna add extra credit because it's Ultra Hot. Yes. So it's gonna add extra credits to us. Watch, Ultra Hot. See, it's changing it. It added extra credits to those 2 on the bottom. All right, ready? You start it. Let's get it. Open it up. Oh, come on. There we go. 3 more spins. Come on, fireballs. Yes. We need 2 more to open that reel, honey. Let's do it. There we go. Oh, we opened it. Wow, there we go. All right. Balls with words. Let's do it. Come on, mini, minor, major. Mini, minor, major, mega. Let's do it. Come on. There we go. Oh, we opened the next one. We have 2 more to get to the top. Let's do it. Get it, get it. Fill it in. Come on, Fred. Come on. Ultra hottest. Oh, last one. Ready? Right? Meow. Come on. Fireball. Fireball. All right, that's okay. These are quarters. I'm gonna add it up. Yes. These are quarters. Let's do it. Let's do it. There we go. All right. 20 bucks.
Do it.
Let's get it.
Bigger numbers coming.
Yep. There we go. Come on. That's $50 right there. There we go.
And the last 2?
The last 2. Come on.
That's a
Oop,
big one.
that's more than 60. There we go. $75. We started with 100, so we're in profit territory, honey.
Ultra hot.
There we go. Yes. Ultra Hot Mega Link. Look, he's all happy. Yes. And he was happy for us. So you want to do a few more spins then?
Sure. What do you
All
want?
right. Let's do a couple back of spins here. There's one. Yep, one more. All right. Well, that was Ultra Hot Mega Link. We got the Ultra Hot bonus. That was pretty fun.
We're 40 bucks.
Yes, we are. We're going to cash out. Find another winning slot machine, right, Ben? All right. Meow for now. Hey, everybody. Spot Cat's here.
Yeah.
We're at Green Valley Ranch.
Yeah, so it's got the bonus.
We're chasing this $26,000 grand on Lightning
Yes,
Link.
please.
So I just got the bonus. We put in, what, 30 bucks?
Yes.
So we've been staying pretty even, and we just got this bonus. What is this? 25, 30, 40, 50.
67.50, right?
67.50. You're right, honey. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yes. Yes.
Let's fill it in for 26,000. Let's do it. Come on, more coins. Yes, you do it. Come on, more coins. Lots of coins. Come on, where's those coins? Coin, coin, coin.
Yes.
Yay, a $10 coin.
Way to go.
Come on, more coins.
That's a lot of tens.
It is, huh?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Come on, big coins. Yes. Let's do it. Awesome. Whoop, whoop. All right. Now we need 4 more. Come on, baby. We got 11 so far. Come on, coins with words. Let's get it. Come on, coins with words. Yes. Oh my gosh, the music just sped up, honey. We need 2 more. Holy cow. Let's get it. Come on, coins with words. Oh no, please do. You're fine. Coins with words. Come on, coin.
Save it, Heidi.
All right, we gotta save it. Do it together. Ready? Right? Meow. Do it, do it. Oh, 13 of them. They're still big though. Get it. Yay! Cha-ching! Cha-ching! Cha-ching!
Big coming up, right? Yeah.
Yay! $85!
50 cent bet? That's it.
We'll take it. There we go. And a coin shell.
Can we help it out?
Yeah, help it out, please. There we go. $85.50. So we sat down with what, 30 bucks?
Yeah.
So we got 115 in the machine. Profit territory.
Yes.
We'll come back with another bonus. Meow for now. All right, so a few spins later, we got the bonus
Yes.
again. So here we go. Let's hope for the hold and spin. Come on, Fred.
This is going to be Heidi. Left or right?
Which one? You pick.
Well, both going to say right, so I'm going to go left.
Okay. I would have picked right. Hold and spin. Yay! Come on, drop some words. Drop some words. I saw that minor. There it is. That's a $50 minor right there. Get it, Fred. Come on, more words. Come on, mini major. Fill it in. Fill it in, fill it in. Coinza. All right, come on, Fred. Get it, get it. Coinza, coinza. Yes. More coins. All right. Come on, coins with words. There we go. Do it, baby, do it. Come on, coinza, coinza. Yes. All right, let's get another minor. Let's get a major. Oh, minor in the 4th reel. Come on, baby, get it. Come on, right meow. Coinza, coinza. Yes, reset. We got 8 so far. Chasing that grand. Let's get it. Oh, there's a mini for 10 bucks. Someone's got to win it. Why not us, right? All right, that major's 600. Let's get it. Oh, we only need 3 more. We got 12. Come on, bonus. Come on. Oh, the major's in the 1st reel. Oh my gosh, I just saw the major. It was right there. $600 major. It was there. Come on, major. Come back. Come on, coin. Coin. Oh, come on, Fred. Get a coin. Get that coin. That major was so there. Oh my gosh. Coin us. All right, ready? Let's save it. Right together. Come on, right meow. Do it. Come on, coin. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, shoot. 13 again. It's all right. We started with 30 bucks on this machine. What, $70 bonus? $75 bonus? Something like that. Cha-ching. A mini. Adding all of these ones up. 75, right? 75.50.
Nice.
Then another coin show. Right? Oh, that's all right. Get it, get it. All right, we'll be back with another bonus. We've got 189 in the machine. We put $30 in. Definitely profit territory. Meow for now. This machine is bananas, honey. We just got back-to-back bonuses.
Yes.
And we are min betting on 50 cents on pennies because we're chasing this $26,000 grand. And we just got back-to-back bonuses.
Yes.
Let's get it, honey. This is bananas.
No, I picked last time. You get to pick this time.
All right. Well, I'm going right because you're sitting on my right. Hold and spin, please. Oh, 100 camels. We'll take it. Way to go. Come on, line up
I
those
like it
camels.
better when they all play.
Yes. Come on, line it up. Where are the camels, baby? We need those camels. Come on, camels. Let's get all 4 reels of camels. What do you think? Come on, camels.
4 spins remaining.
Let's get it. No bonus bummers.
Oh, I got the minor.
Woohoo! Our neighbor got that minor. Way to go. There we go. A little bit of something. We got 2 more spins. Let's get all 4 reels of camels. Let's do it. Come on, camels. Oh, last spin, baby. Come on, camels. Oh, well, that was kind of a bonus bummer, but it was back to back.
That's right.
So we're not going to complain, but we'll come back with another bonus. Maybe this time we can switch it on.
Yes.
Meow for now.